What's up, family? Welcome back to Truthville, USA. I am Q. So I wanted to take a couple minutes, guys. I spend a lot of time doing a lot of research, and I don't care about being the first to bring you guys a story. I want to make sure I get it right. So I'm going to include the article in the description on this video because I've done a lot of videos about this case going on in New York, this hush money case. And I'm thankful that we've gotten a lot of people that from the other side of the aisle that have been watching these videos, but they immediately accuse me of lying and bringing not straight facts. So I'm going to make sure I include the article so they can go and read this. So Michael Cohen's lawyer, Mr. Costello, appeared before Congress today in a hearing about the weaponization of the DOJ. He sat before them and he recalled an entire conversation that he had with his attorney or with his client, Michael Cohen. He said that he asked Michael Cohen point blank. He said, did Donald Trump have any information, or did he have any way of knowing that you were going to make this payment to Stormy Daniels? Michael Cohen said no. Trump knew nothing about it. He said, so why did you make the payment? Michael Cohen said, well, I was afraid that this was going to be incredibly embarrassing to Trump and to Melania. He said, did you have any reason to believe that the story was true about Stormy Daniels and Donald Trump? And Michael Cohen told him, quote, I didn't believe the story even from the beginning. I did not believe that there was any truth to it, but I was afraid of the embarrassment. He went on to ask him, well, how did you make this payment? And Michael Cohen told him, as we already heard, that he took out a HELOC on his home. But I mentioned this before. He said that he took the HELOC out. He told his lawyer, he took the HELOC out because he didn't want his wife asking too many questions, because she handles the household finances and she would have had 100 questions about him taking that type of money out. So he didn't want to answer to his wife. Now, that's the interesting part, because if I told my wife I have to take care of one of my clients, it's Donald Trump, I know that he's going to be good for it and he'll pay me back, I'm going to do that before I take a HELOC on my home. Now, if his wife is that involved in the family finances, I'm still going back to the fact I don't buy it on double coupon day. I don't buy it that he was able to take this out without his wife knowing. I believe that Michael Cohen, according to previous testimony from Michael Avenatti and the affidavit, that Michael Cohen was the one who was romantically involved with Stormy Daniels. Now, with that being said, Michael Cohen, once again, through his attorney, said that he had no idea what was going on. He did not believe the story. Then he went on to tell his client, Mr. Costello, told Michael Cohen, he said, look, whatever information that you have on Donald Trump, you need to give that to the U.S. attorney. He says you need to turn that information over immediately, because if you don't, you're going to spend time in jail. But I can work out a deal for you if you're willing to give them whatever information you have on Donald Trump. He said that Michael Cohen, and I quote, I have nothing on Trump. As God is my witness, I don't have anything on Trump. So how is it this man stood before the court yesterday and had a completely different story? This is why I say there's got to be a mistrial. If it's not, then Trump needs to fire his entire legal team. This guy has had 3 different versions of this story. So how do we know that this one is true? Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys agree with the mistrial analysis that I have? Do you guys disagree? Comment below. I want to know what you guys have to say. Make sure you guys share this video and subscribe. I'll keep you guys updated. Be blessed.